In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDFs in DocHub. We'll go through the process from the very beginning so you can follow along easily, even if you've never used DocHub before. The goal is to combine one PDF with another, and if needed, rearrange the pages afterward so the final document is in the exact order you want. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the website. After that, sign into your account so you can access the editing tools and your document dashboard. Once you're signed in, go to the dashboard and open the PDF you want to use as your main document. If you don't already have a file open, you can create a new document and upload your PDF there. This first file will be the one that the second PDF gets added onto, so make sure you start with the correct base document. When your PDF is open in the editor, look to the far left sidebar and click the Page Controls icon, which is represented by 4 small squares. This opens the thumbnail panel where you can see all the pages in your current document as small previews. This panel is important because it gives you access to page-level actions, including merging or appending another file. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the thumbnail panel. There, click the plus icon, or in some versions, the Actions button. This opens the menu for adding more pages or files to your document. From that menu, select Append File, which may also appear as merged depending on the version of DocHub you're using. Now choose where your second PDF is stored. DocHub gives you several options, including your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Pick the location that matches where your file is saved, then browse to the second PDF you want to add. Select that second file and click Open or Upload. As soon as the upload finishes, the pages from the second document will be attached to the end of your original PDF automatically. At this point, your files are merged. If the page order isn't exactly how you want it, you can simply click and drag the page thumbnails up or down in the thumbnail panel to rearrange them. That makes it easy to organize the final document before you continue editing, sharing, or saving it. And that's how to merge PDFs in DocHub.